let's delve into our assignment for week 1. So this week you're going to be writing a paper on the industry that you are going into, and we're going to do some research in the school library. So what you want to do is pick an article after you do a search in the different library databases, and the goal is to find a professional resource with a title that interests you. So there are going to be 4 questions that you're going to be answering in your paper this week. What was the main argument or topic of the professional resource? What is one thing that you learned, unlearned, or relearned about your industry? What did you learn, unlearn, or relearn about conducting research? And after having completed this activity, what do you feel is the difference in using information from a professional resource compared to using non-professional resources, such as blogs or social media posts even? So a professional resource might be an academic journal, and that's a great place to start. So let's go into the school library. I'm going to go back to the home page of the course and click on the library link. Once I'm there, I'm actually going to choose ProQuest based on the topic that I am researching, which is graphic design. And I want to look at scholarly journals. And search. So there's a lot of different results that came up. So maybe I want something in the last 12 months. So you can see this really gets down to things that are more specific, and they're going to be articles that have taken place in the last 12 months. So something that's happening now in the industry. So you can scroll through and look at the different topics that there are. Maybe you want to talk a little bit about students' attitudes in graphic design classes. That could be something that you can look up. And here's how we're going to set up our paper for this week. So let's open up Microsoft Word, and I'm just going to close this out and do a new document. Now, we don't really need to get too much into the formatting, but it doesn't hurt to set up our paper right the first time. So I'm going to go back over to our assignment because there's a great example that we can follow. If we scroll down again, so you can see that the name, the date, the name of the course, and the name of the paper are in the top right-hand corner of the page. That's really easy to set up in Word. So let's just write a line. I'm going to type in my name. Next, I'm going to do the date. Then I'm going to put in the name of our course, CSS105. And the name of the paper, Understanding Professional Research. Next, I'm just going to hit a return, and I can left adjust it, and you'll notice that the citation is right up at the top. ProQuest is going to give you that citation. So if I went with this article right here, I can copy the site and the citation and select and copy, and go back into Word and paste it in. And then I can begin to number my paper. So if you want to, you can copy and paste in the 4 questions so you don't forget them. And put your answers underneath. Now, don't get caught up on the 600 words because each of your answers should be about a paragraph or 2 in length, and that is going to give you 600 words, no problem. So just get in there, start answering the topic based on the article, and you're going to learn a lot more about the courses that you're going to be taking and the degree program that you're in. So good luck this week and have fun learning or relearning or even unlearning about your industry.